This is me doing YouTube automation until I get monetized. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how you can create faceless videos like this. Your mind is the most dangerous liar you'll ever face. Most men think masculinity is about muscle. Your biggest enemy isn't out there. Using AI, even if you're a complete beginner. Make sure to like and follow so you don't miss any part of this journey. In this video, I'll break down exactly how I make faceless videos, from generating scripts with AI, adding voiceover, editing with Capcut, and polishing the final product. Step 1. Scripting with AI. First, head over to ChatGPT. Enter this prompt. Ask it to generate 10 short scripts for YouTube about your niche. If you want the exact prompt I used, just drop prompt in the comments and I'll share it with you. By using this, you'll get an aligned script with a title, a solid hook to grab viewers, a body section, and an ending CTA. If the result doesn't match your style, give ChatGPT more instructions, shorten the sentences, add pacing, or adjust the tone until it feels natural. Once you're happy, make an Excel sheet. Copy each script title into one column and the script itself into another. This will keep your content organized. Create a new folder named Video 1, where you'll save all related files. Step 2, creating the video with Capcut. Now it's time to turn that script into a video. Open Capcut, go to the AI video maker, and start a new project. Paste your script in the text section, then click Generate AI Media. Capcut will provide different style options. Select the one according to your niche. I'm making videos on self-discipline, so I chose black and white graphics. This fits perfectly. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for TikTok/YouTube Shorts and generate clips for all. Wait a few moments and you'll have AI-generated images matched to your script. Pro tip, the AI image generator is free for now, and there are many styles that can match your niche. For example, if you're doing history, there's a documentary style you can use. For stories, a cartoon style works great. For horror, you can go with darker, eerie visuals. Hit Edit More to make additional adjustments. Step 3, adding voiceovers. A good voiceover makes your video more engaging. I use Elevenlab. Copy and paste your script. Choose a voice, I like Brian. Set the speed to 110 and stability to 70%. Generate the audio, save it, and place it in your Video 1 folder. Now import the audio into Capcut. Adjust the AI-generated clips to match the pacing of the voice. If you want to highlight specific lines, delete unnecessary clips and sync the visuals carefully. Step 4, editing for engagement. Once your clips and voice are aligned, add transitions to make the flow smooth. I often use pull in and pull out, then add sound effects. Go to the sound section, click Sound FX, search whoosh, drag it, and set it to the first clip. This creates an attention-grabbing start. You can also use pop, but I prefer this one. Then select the first clip and go to animation. Use unfold so it matches the whoosh sound. Add animations to other clips as well. Zoom in, vertical blur, etc. Add related sound FX to match animations. This makes the video feel more dynamic and livelier. Now for captions, go to the caption tool and hit Generate. This will take some time. And done, your captions are ready to add the style you want in your captions. Select the text now, go to the template section there. You will get many types of templates. Select the one that you like the most. I will go with this one. Remember to adjust them properly so that it will look good on your video. Now the captions are all done. Step 5, final touches after captions. Select all clips, Ctrl+A, and group them, Alt+G into a compound clip. Then add filters. Add Sicily, set the intensity to 30% for a cinematic look. Add 4K filter, set it to 20% to boost sharpness. Group all the clips again, adjust speed slightly to 105% for a smoother flow. Click Export, use default 1080p on settings, hit Export. And boom, your video's ready. The biggest lie your brain tells you? You're overthinking. No, you're not overthinking. You're underdoing. Your mind spins because your body stalls. You sit, you plan. That's the full process I use to make faceless videos. If you want the complete guide on uploading videos the right way so that your videos will stay away from the 0 views curse and writing SEO optimized descriptions and tags, all this using AI, make sure to like, follow, and comment yes so you don't miss out anything.